Today we're continuing our challenge to grow a small account. In the last 2 trading sessions, I managed to increase my initial balance quite a bit. And no, this isn't one of those clickbait videos where traders magically turn 20 bucks into hundreds of thousands. In this video series, I'll be growing a small account step by step and breaking down each trade in detail. Let's go! Alright, we've got a strong downtrend and a solid payout percentage. See how the price broke the trend line and moved into consolidation? This is a textbook setup for the back to trend strategy. Let me quickly remind you how it works. When the price moves along with a trend, it sometimes breaks the trend line and consolidates. We wait for consolidation to finish and for the price to keep moving in the direction of the trend. The breakout of consolidation in the trend's direction is our entry point. The expiration time for this strategy is approximately the distance from the trend line breakout to the start of the consolidation. I've already marked support and resistance levels for this consolidation. Now we just wait for the price to break support with a strong, volatile candle in the direction of the trend. Price is surely moving down, so let's use this opportunity. I'm entering a short for 8 minutes. I pick expiration time based on the strategy. In this case, from the trend line breakout to the start of the consolidation, we have 3 candles. So the time frame is 3 minutes. Since this is the first trade in our triplet, I'm entering with $28. We're starting today's session with a balance of $565. The trade amounts are already set. First trade at $28, second at $67, and third at $160. Remember, if we lose a trade, we go back to the first amount. This rule helps keep our balance in check and minimizes the risk. And just like that, the strategy works like a charm. 3 strong volatile candles formed, and the bears took the price back into the trend. Now, on to the second trade. Wait a second. We're still on the same chart, aren't we? That's right. While the first trade was closing, I noticed the bigger picture looked a lot like a continuation triangle pattern. Let's draw the trend line along the last impulse move, and you'll see exactly what I mean. But before we continue, let's talk about how to trade the triangle pattern. A triangle forms when the price reaches a level where buyers hold it from dropping lower. But each time it bounces off that level, the highs get lower, showing that buyers are losing strength. After about 3 impulses, sellers usually manage to break the support level. We enter a trade as soon as support breaks with a strong, volatile candle in the direction of the overall trend. Trading the triangle pattern is one of the simplest and most effective strategies in my kit. Make sure to add it to yours as well. Now back to our trade. The triangle has already broken. No time to waste. We're shorting for 10 minutes. Since this is the second trade in the triplet, I'm multiplying the previous amount by 2.4. I'm following my anti-martingale money management system. We're growing a small deposit, so we aim to trade as carefully as possible. We stick to strategies based on trading with the global trend, focusing exclusively on that trend. We use simple tools like support and resistance levels, trend lines, basic patterns, the volatility shift principle, and straightforward indicators. And just like that, the second trade in the triplet closes in profit. Now for the trade number 3, with a solid 85% payout. This time, we're in a strong uptrend, and the price has formed a clear resistance level. Let's see if you've been paying attention. Comment below, what do you see on this chart? That's right, another triangle pattern. Perfect for the third trade in our triplet. Price has tested resistance multiple times, and I believe a breakout is about to happen in the direction of the trend. As soon as resistance breaks, we'll enter a trade for 19 minutes. There's a risk of a false breakout since the triangle hasn't fully formed yet. But it looks like my timing was spot on. Price immediately pulled back to retest the trend line. If you're curious about how I trade, I share my setups and real trades every day in Telegram. Just simple breakdowns of what I see and why I take certain entries. If you want to check it out, just shoot me a message. I'll send you the link. Now, we wait for the position to close and lock in profits on the third trade of the triplet. And look at that. We just raised our balance to $778. Today's session brought in $213 in profit, proving once again that with the right approach, you can consistently raise your deposit. Want to learn more about my strategies? Hit that subscribe button, drop a comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe and be in touch.